President Akufo-Addo has inaugurated the first factory under the government's flagship industrialization initiative, One District, One Factory, at Kaase in the Asokwa Municipality of the Ashanti Region.
The president announced that while local banks have pulled together 2.5 billion Ghana Cedis as credit facility to support the flagship program, financial institutions in the United States, United Kingdom and China have also made available $700 million to be accessed by participating companies.
Initiative to be officially outdoored by President Akufo-Addo is known as Springs and Bolts. It produces machine parts and for some years now has operated under the Free Zones Enterprise. By its adoption and official inauguration under the 1D 1F initiative, Springs and Bolts qualifies for many government incentives, including tax holiday for 5 years, duty-free importation of production machinery and equipment, and also engage personnel from the Nation Builders Corps to relieve the management of the payment of wages and salaries for expansion. President Akufo-Addo was at the company to learn at first hand the production processes. The Chief Executive Officer of the company, Mr. George Amankwa, hoped that with the support to be enjoyed under the 1D 1F initiative, Springs and Bolts Company Limited would be able to increase its workforce from the present 60 to 120 by next year, while expanding production to meet demand from the West Africa sub-region. Trade and Industry Minister Mr. Alan Trematin said, with the support being offered, the company can expand to contribute to particularly the automobile industry soon to be created in Ghana and making Kaase once again the industrial enclave of the Ashanti region. President Akufo-Addo said, apart from helping to strengthen Ghana's industrial base, the 1D 1F program could address the challenge of poverty in rural and peri-urban areas. He announced that the government is to establish 2 assembling plants of globally recognized automobile companies in the country.
Spring and Bolts Limited, which is being commissioned, is a good reflection of the potential in these 2 sectors. The company is engaged in the manufacture of U-bolts, leaf spring, trailer suspension parts, and bolts and nuts, which are all essential components for the operations of industrial establishment. Government is also currently in negotiations with leading global vehicle manufacturing companies to establish assembly plants in Ghana.